Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I wasn't going to do any more, and while that one was loading, I started playing around with it because I am going to do this someday. This is the two sides of my item. I did one of them in a color and one of them in a gray or black. So if this is the outside, it's going up, and if this is the outside, it's coming down. So if you match those two together, you'd have a hump going down to the brown and the black going up to the gray. And all I did to do that was let me make these all red. I ran out of color, so I went to green. So I've already blended these 12 items, because I blended at 10. Well, then if you want it to go back, Control D and make a duplicate, move this over here and grab these two, go up to Effects, Blend, and remember we're doing 10, but we're actually getting 12 because we've already got 2, and hit Apply. So now you have both. This is going to start flat and increasingly go up, and then it's going to increasingly go down. This, to me, would be the way to do it, but I would definitely test. You know, you only need to test out 2 to see how close they are. Let's just hit P and put them in the center of the page. Well, let's back up here, move these out of the way. You only need to test 2, I would think, and hit P and run these on your laser and cut. And just see what this difference is. If it's too much, and you can see how they're not lined up, but if we select them both and hit B to put them in the bottom, now our legs are lined up. If this is too much, you don't want very much. So this is on one layer. This is the outside layer, and the inside layer is going up and down. So if you will look at that, and see what, if it's too much, then have more blends or move it less, have much less of a variation between the, let's see how many parts we got. Well, we took 3 away. We should have well, we've only got 11 because of this fact this is still, so got object, blend apart. I'd go and select it all, object, group, and ungroup. And now we took 2 away, so we had 22 or 24, depending on how many I moved over there. But this way it starts and it goes uphill, and then it goes uphill back to downhill. And like I said in the previous video, this is where your artistic ability is going to show up. Because I don't know what's going on this leg, and you might want it to keep sloping down, but you might want the leg to come in. Anyway, I think I've got it solved out. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.